All right, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, everybody, and welcome to this special training on the single global line in Up to Give. So, I wanted to do this on a whiteboard just to make sure that everybody has a clear understanding on how the global line will work. So, as you can see, I already drawn it up, and this is how it's going to look. There's no more matrix. We are running a global single line. So, ground zero is one global line. Line one, level one line. Level two, one line. Three, one line. Level four, one. Level five, one. Level six, one line. Now, how will this play out? Well, we are now working as one global community. Instead of you working only with your team, you're now working with the entire global community of Up to Give. And here is how it will work. So, every single person will, when the reset happens on March 15th, every single person will be back in ground zero. And every single person is placed one under the other, all the way through our entire community. Now, everybody contributes, and they will contribute to 8 causes above them, as we know, in ground zero. So, one person comes in, 8 causes above them, receives a contribution. Now, this is very important for everybody to know, for the founders and for all members. Now, when we reset the founding members, this is where your privilege comes in. All founding members will be assigned the top position in the ground zero global line. And the entire global community of all members will be put in underneath. And as we continue to grow, and as people bring in, keep in mind, we're in one global single line. People will enter new people here every single time, every day, every hour. More people that everybody's building. One global line. Now, for you to move from outer ground zero and into level one, we all know that we need to have 2 directs, right? Now, let's just say, for example, that you're a founder. This right here is your position. And you have brought your two. You got 2 people. Let's say that you have 1 direct here, and you got 1 direct here, and then there's a ton of spillover as well. Now, once you have your 2 directs in ground zero that have contributed 0.005 to Up to Give causes, you're ready. You have received a total of 16 contributions, which equals 0.01. So you receive the full amount in ground zero, and you're now ready to go to level one. So you're popping over to level one. And a lot of spillover, a lot of other members will come as well. Now, what you want to do in order to move to level two, this is the key, this is the secret. Here comes the power of 2 into play. You got your 2. Now, in order for you to move from level 1 to level 2, you need to make sure that your 2 gets their 2, because they don't want to be stuck in ground zero either. They want to go to level 1. So, one of your directs gets his first 2. He can move into level 1. What happens? You will receive 50% of the total contributions given to you on that level. Amazing, 50%. Now, the same second your second direct gets his 2, he also jumps over to level 1. And now you're receiving the remaining 50% of the total contributions, which is 0.02. Now, in order for you to go to level 3, you just need to contribute half of that 0.02 because you got your 2 directs on level 1. You contribute 0.01, and you're now in level 2. A lot of spillover will come in beneath. Now, what do you want to do? You want to bring your 2 directs to the same level. And how do you do that? Well, your 2 directs is on level 1. They got to level 1 by bringing in 2 people into ground zero. Now, they need to help them, their 2, to get their own 2, so that their directs gets into level 1, so that they can go to level 2. Once you get one of your directs into level 2, you'll receive again 50% of the total amount of contributions received on that level. Now, once you get your second direct over, you get another 50%. Now you receive the full amount, 0.04 of a Bitcoin, from bringing your 2 directs to level 2. And this is done by you getting 2, then those 2 getting 2 each, then they get 2 each, then they get 2 each. It's all about getting 2. They want to follow you through the levels, guys. Now, I just got my 2 directs into level 2, and I'm ready. I received 0.04 contributions. Now I am ready to go to level 3. I contribute 0.02 of the 0.04 I received. I'm in level 3, I'm sorry. And my focus now is, of course, again, to continue bringing my 2 directs into level 3. So once my first direct comes over, I'll receive again 50% of the total amount given. That's 0.16 of a Bitcoin on level 3. So once you bring one direct over, 0.08 will go directly into your wallet. The same second you bring your second direct over, you'll receive the additional 50%, which is another 0.08, which totals it to 0.16 of a Bitcoin. You completed level 3, you received all the contributions, and you're ready to go to level 4. To go to level 4, you contribute 0.05. You're now in level 4. What do you want to do here? Again, yes, correct. You want to bring your 2 into the same level. And what happens? Well, once you bring one of your directs in, you'll receive again 50%, my friends, 50% of the entire, all the contributions given to you on that level, which is 0.08, means you'll receive 0.4 of a Bitcoin in your wallet for bringing one direct to the same level as you. Now, the same second your second direct pops up to level 4, you'll receive the remaining 50%. Another 0.4 of a Bitcoin, totaling 0.8 of a Bitcoin. And you're now ready to go to level 5. So to go to level 5, you contribute 0.25 of the 0.8 that you received. You're now in level 5. And again, what do we want to do? We want to bring our 2 into level 5 as well. Now, once you've got your first direct into level 5, you will receive again 50%. 50% of the total amount of contributions given on level 5. Total amount is 8 Bitcoins. Bring one direct to level 5 and you'll receive 4 Bitcoins instantly into your wallet. In the same second that you bring your second direct over, you'll get that second 50%, which is another 4 Bitcoins into your wallet. And you just received 8 Bitcoins on level 5 for bringing 2 people, 2 of your directs to the same level. 2, getting 2, getting 2, getting 2. That is the secret, guys. That is the only thing we need to do. And now we are ready to move into level 6, right? We got our 2 directs in level 5. We received 8 Bitcoins in contributions, and we are qualified and ready. So we're contributing 1 Bitcoin moving into level 6. Now, as soon as I bring one of my directs over to level 6, and again, how does this happen? Well, my 2 gets their 2. They help their 2 to get their 2. They help their 2 to get their 2. It's all about helping that one person to get their 2 and then helping the second person to get their 2. And then teaching them to do the same, to help their 2 to get their 2. That is actually how simple it is. But again, back to this. Once you bring one of your directs into level 6, you'll receive 50% of the total amount of contributions given on that level, which is 64 Bitcoins, my friends. So you'll receive 32 Bitcoins for bringing one of your directs into level 6. And the same second that you bring your second in over, you'll receive the remaining 50%, which is another 32 Bitcoins, totaling up to 64 Bitcoins. And then minus the 12.5%, of course, that you're contributing back into the community. But that is, my friends, is how simple it actually is. Now, let me just say that your two people are not contributing 4 Bitcoin each to you. No, they're contributing 0.025 to go to level 5. So how do you get the 8 Bitcoins? That's the global line. That's the leverage of the power of our global line. You bring 2 people in, and the global single line will support the rest of the contributions, because they're only contributing 0.25 to go to level 5, right? But you're receiving 8 Bitcoins. That is where the global single line comes into play. So guys, I hope this gave you a good understanding of how the global single line will work and how you and your tutu can go all the way to level 6. That is the ultimate goal for us, to bring each and every single one up to you, level 4, level 5, level 6, because that is where we can truly make a difference, where we can truly start to make a change and contribute to our causes and help support the world around us. That is the ultimate goal. And we are heading there. We are definitely heading there with this new structure. So from March 15th, the new reset, this is how it will look. Everybody works in one single global line. Doesn't matter where they come from. If I sign up someone, if Jerry, if Sean, if you, if somebody from Africa, if somebody from Vietnam or Malaysia or Latin America signs someone up, doesn't matter who they are, where they're from, or what team they used to be in, everybody is now in the same team, building one single line. Everybody placing people in. And everybody who's now in ground zero, they want to get there too. So they're also placing people in so that they can move into level 1. And they're helping their 2 to get there too, so they can move into level 1, so they can move to level 2. That is the awesome, awesome power of the global single line. All right. So again, I hope that this was a decent explanation, that you guys really understand the magnitude of this. And again, I want to put a little bit of emphasis on this. It is all about you getting your 2. And then, of course, you want to help your 2 to get their 2. Now you want to teach your 2 how to help their 2 to get their 2. It's all about 2 getting 2, getting 2, getting 2. That is how it works. This is you. Random, random, random. You bring in a direct. Random, random. You bring in another direct. Now you have 2 directs in ground zero, and you are ready to move to level 1. Now, what is the next? You want to help your directs to get there too. So a random, and let's say we have a direct, DD. Is it DD1? This is direct 1, this is direct 2. And your direct 2 brings in 1, DD2. Now they got 1 each. As soon as we now got DD1 and DD2, direct 1 and 2, they are ready to go from ground zero into level 1. That is how simple it is. You just need to help your 2 to get their 2. And then they will help their 2 to get their 2. This is a teamwork effort. We are all working together. We're all in the same family. We're all in the same line. We're all in the same company. And we all have the same philanthropical vision. All right, my friends, thank you so much. Any questions, please let us know and we will clear them out. Thank you. Bye-bye.